Strategy is figuring out what not to do. Steve Jobs made this clear and bold statement 15 years ago, and it is still true today. We are here to pitch and introduce our academic article, which delves into strategic intelligence in leadership and business. It was written by Dan Payuk, Adina Sanyutsa, and Alina Parinku, and it was published in Encyclopedia. Strategic intelligence is a concept that is primarily concerned with the collection and analysis of intelligence for policy and military planning at national and international levels, and this study of management and organizational decision-making applications is an extension of that. This article's subject focuses on the necessity for strategic intelligence, which is a crucial element for leaders, managers, and companies striving to remain competitive that can be utilized and leveraged in today's volatile and dynamic business contexts. This study follows a research design that includes a thorough literature review and bibliometric research, executed via VoSViewer, illustrating the concept of strategic intelligence from a leadership point of view as a driver of competitive advantage that is enhanced by knowledge dynamics. Furthermore, this article acknowledges that the literature on this subject matter is sparse, as strategic intelligence is relatively new to the business sector. Therefore, more research is required to fully understand and use the potential of strategic intelligence in business growth. Overcoming these limitations and continuing to study the strategic intelligence concept could, on the one hand, add to multiple platforms such as scholarly articles or encyclopedias, and, on the other hand, support businesses in gaining a competitive edge and making informed decisions that could fuel their success in an ever-evolving market. In management fields, strategic intelligence deployment allows leaders to perceive the entirety of the direct and indirect competition landscape, sense threats and vulnerabilities at the earliest possible stage for proactive risk management, utilize early changes in the external environment, enhance knowledge dynamics, make real-time decisions based on the latest data in order to stay alert and ahead of unpredictable evolutions, and, finally, achieve sustainable growth and success, which are all elements that are essential in the current complex and dynamic business environment. This strategic foresight empowers leaders and managers to enact proactive, informed measures and judgments that can set their organizations on the right path for sustainable long-term success and resilience in an ever-changing global and multicultural context. The article's research questions focus on the relationship between strategic intelligence and leadership, the role of knowledge dynamics in strategic decision-making, and the influence of technology on strategic intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy exploring the fascinating realm of strategic intelligence and its applications in leadership and business. Stay informed, stay ahead, and unlock your competitive edge with strategic intelligence.